Fifth grade Excel, lesson 18, filling in missing numbers in equations with parentheses, learning the order of operations when solving an equation, and replacing letters with numbers in an equation. When a statement contains parentheses, combine the numbers inside the parentheses before combining other numbers. So this problem number 1 here, let's pretend like that's not there and that's not there. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to do the parentheses part first. 3 times 2 is 6, so you're going to write the 6 up there. And then you have 2 plus 8 is equal to 8 equals some number plus 5. And then 3, of course, goes in the blank because 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay? What?
Well, you said 2 plus 8. It's 6 plus
2 plus 6 is equal to 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 if I said that wrong. Now notice how the whole equation, this big long equation, is rewritten as 2 numbers and a blank. Every time you do these, you need to end up with 2 numbers and a blank. Number, number, blank. You got to have that in your equations before you solve it by finding the missing number. All right, we're going to do this next one together so you can see how it's done. Write this on your paper. 3 plus 4, we're going to do the parentheses first, so 3 plus 4 is 7, good. And we're going to write the whole equation again, but we only want 2 numbers. Right now I've got a 15, I've got a 0, and I've got a 7. I can't put all those. I only get 2 numbers. Okay, so I'm going to write 15 minus blank equals, what's 0 times 7?
0.
0. So what number goes in the blank?
15.
15, and that's my answer. Okay, so pause the video, just do number 3, and then turn it back on to see if you're doing these right. All right, here we go. So the parentheses should be done first. You can answer that right above it. 8 minus 1 is? Hello?
7.
Oh, I got a studio audience here that's helping me out. 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 times 4 is?
8.
Oh, they're so smart. Okay. Now, can I combine these together? A 2 plus and a 7? 2 plus 7? Can I put those together?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I combine an 8 plus a blank? No, I can't really put a blank with an 8. So I am going to combine these together when I write my equation down here in a simple form. 2 plus 7 is? 9 equals, don't forget to copy the equal sign. I'm writing in the same order. Notice I'm putting all this here. 9 equals 8, what? Plus blank. Okay, what number goes in the blank?
1.
1. Beautiful. All right, go ahead and try 4. And by the way, again, you should have this written just like that on your paper, exactly like mine. Do 4, 5, and 6. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. Okay, studio audience, I'm going to have you guys just shout out and give me some help here. What do I do first on the equation?
4 minus 1.
4 minus 1 is?
3.
3. Always do the what first?
Quotation.
Parentheses first, not quotations, parentheses. 2 times 2 is?
4.
4. Okay, can I combine the 3 times the 3 together?
Yes.
What's that called?
9.
9. What do I write next? Equals. Can I combine the 4 and the blank?
4.
No. 4 plus blank. Good. What goes in the blank?
5.
5 is the answer. Okay, what am I doing first here on number 5?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. 8 minus 2 is?
6.
5 minus 3 is?
2.
Okay, can I combine the 6 minus blank together?
No.
So I'm going to write that down here. 6 minus blank. Don't forget your equal sign. Can I combine this 8 minus 2?
Yes.
What does that equal to?
6.
6. 6 minus something equals 6.
0.
The answer is 0. Number 6. 2 times 3 first, which is?
6.
6 times 2. 2 times 6 is?
12.
Okay, let's combine these together. 2 times 6 is?
12.
12 equals 12 times blank. What goes in the blank?
1.
1, because 12 times 1 is 12. All right, if you had the equation 3 times 4 minus 2 equals, you would first multiply the 3 and the 4, and then the 2, subtract the 2 from the 4. 3 times 4 minus 2 is equal to 10. 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, you're going to do that first. But if you did this part first, if you did 4 minus 2, which is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, that does not come out right. All right, so fortunately we have written rules for number statements involving multiple operations. In other words, when you have a multiplication and a subtraction in the same one, we have rules for this. First, combine numbers written in parentheses, within the parentheses. Second, you're going to multiply or divide as you work from left to right. You always go left to right, and you multiply and divide first. The third thing you're going to do is add or subtract as you work from the left to the right. The proper order for 3 times 4 minus 2 is you do the 3 times 4 first, and then you subtract the 2, because we're doing the multiplication before we do the subtraction. We have a little saying for that. It goes like this. You guys have not learned the E yet, but it's parentheses, multiply and divide, add and subtract. And that's PEMDAS. The E stands for, anybody want to guess? No, what would we do before we multiply and divide it in an equation? They're little tiny numbers that sit up to the top.
Oh, exponent.
Exponents, good. So these would be exponents. We'll be learning about that later on. All right, these problems use letters to represent some numbers. To find the answers, replace the letters with the numbers they represent. So number 7, x is 3, y is 4. Here's an equation, x plus y equals z. We want to know what z is. So if the x is 3, they wrote a little 3 there. If the y is 4, we add 3 and 4 together to get z equaling 7. Z is equal to 7. Let's do this next one together. A is 5. B is what?
2.
2. And what am I going to do on this problem?
Multiply.
And what am I doing? 5 times 2, which is equal to?
10.
10. So C is equal to 10. That should be written on your paper just like that. Pause the video, do numbers 9 and 10. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions. Okay, here we go. One of my studio audience helpers is going to show us how to do this.
Okay, so if m equals 8, put an 8 up there. That's ugly. But and n equals 2, you can put a 2 up there. And then you divide 8 divided by 2 equals 6. No.
8 divided by 2 is 6.
No, sorry.
Okay.
4.
4, the answer is 4. Woo! Okay, do the next one.
No, I knew that.
You got to make up for it.
I knew that. Okay. K equals 3.
They tried to trick you on that one by putting them out of order.
And
See that?
L equals 9, so you need to put a 9 right there. And you subtract, so it is 6 now.
Oh, that's the one you were thinking of. 9 minus 3 is 6. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.